that which is infinite alone can give you everlasting happiness. Now, what do we do to gain happiness? We want everlasting happiness, but we are constantly struggling with the delusion that any finite object, being, or situation can give us that happiness. For example, instead of a glass of water, if somebody gave you a cup of coffee right now, you would think that you would be a happier person, is it not?
Yes.
But the moment you get a cup of coffee, you would think, what if they gave some biscuits along with it? Because coffee happiness is not biscuit happiness. Biscuit happiness is not cake happiness. Is it not?
Yes, yes.
It's not complete happiness. Therefore, very beautifully it is said in the Upanishads of the Veda, in Vedanta, Yo vai bhuma tat sukham, na alpe sukham asti. That which is infinite alone can give you total satisfaction and happiness. That which is finite and limited, you might experience some joys, but it is not happiness. There's a big difference in that.
This is amazing because when you are talking about the essence of everything, so if the essence of human is truth, which is happiness, so how can that essence find happiness in that which is less than
exactly. So now if you see, if happiness is infinite, in every religion, what is God called up? Commonly, they might fight about everything else, but in every religion, God is infinite or not?
Yes.
So this search for happiness, the search for God, and that infinite we have seen is the very essence of everything and everyone, is the search for one's own self only.
So this way of thinking is amazing.
Yes.
Da li qed jgħid huwa li jekk inti li l-ewwel bdejna nitkellmu li kull ma nagħmlu fl-essenza tiegħu aħna qed infittxu li nkunu kuntenti, nkunu happy. Issa meta int qed tiġi wara xi ħaġa li inqas minnek, li inti l-essenza tiegħek hija it-truth u l-happiness, inti ġej minn dak is-sors. Is-sorsi tiegħek hija happiness. Issa, jekk inti s-sorsi tiegħek hija ta' dik il-frekwenza, inti u qed tfittex xi ħaġa bi frekwenza inqas, dik qatt ma ħassodisfak. Issa wieħed irid jirrifletti u jaħseb fuqha di. So this is what just came to mind, Swami, that if you have this infiniteness, limitlessness, it's a frequency. Now, if that frequency cannot find satisfaction in a frequency which is less than itself, is it? It doesn't work.
The word frequency would...
I wouldn't say, but it's a word which I mean...
Yeah. So it's not the frequency here. Infinite is your own essential nature and the essence of everything.
Everything, yes.
And until and unless we discover it, when I say discover, it's already there.
That's why they say God has everything, is it?
Yes. And God is everywhere, at all times, at all places. So that which is already here and now. If it was somewhere in space, you have to make a journey.
Yes.
If it's in another dimension, you have to die and go there. If it is a thing, then someday you have to produce it.
Yes.
It has to become. But that which is present at all times, at all places, everywhere, within you, outside you, etc., the only reason is that you do not see it. And why don't you see it? If the sun is shining bright and you don't see it, where is the problem?
Yes.
Not that the sun does not exist. You don't have the eyes for it.
Yes.
That you're blind.
Yes, yes.
Or there's a cataract, right? So all that we have to do is discover the truth. See, the word discover is very beautiful.
Yes.
Discover.
You move the cover.
Move the cover.
Yes, that's a very good one.
Yeah?
Yes, yes.
Now, the cause is, like for example, this table is wood only. But you take this as my table, your table, it's precious table, but it is same wood only.
Yes, yes.
Like for a scientist, the coal that you use for barbecue, and I'm sure the ladies are not going to like this, and the diamond that you wear on your wedding ring is also nothing but carbon only. Is it not?
Yeah.
But if you don't know it, For one, you pay a very, very precious price, and it's only nice for decoration. But if it's winter and it's very, very cold, extremely, extremely cold, what is more precious, diamond or coal?
Cool.
Coal.
Yes,
So the price is what? Price is only an illusion. The substance is the carbon. Right? Now, same way, when we interact with people also, we only see the body, color of the body. When we go even to religions, we only see the superficiality of it, not the essence of it. So what happens is, we see life only superficially, never in the essence. So when we discover the essence of ourselves, yeah, so all we have to do is discover it. At the moment, we are ignorant of what God. Therefore, people are searching for God. Some in heaven, some in some place of pilgrimage, some in a temple, some in a church, some in a mosque. While the greatest secret is, it is everywhere. Those are conducive places where you tune up your mind. But God is everywhere and has to be discovered here and now. But since we are ignorant of it, we need the right knowledge. For example, now, what are we doing? Gaining the knowledge of it. Yeah. To gain knowledge, there must be a means of knowledge. And this knowledge being so subtle that we are seeing it and we are not seeing it is only because we don't know it. Now, if somebody would come into this hall and say, yeah, where is Swamiji? Where is Swami Swarupananda? You'll say, he's here. Now, he's seeing my physical form, but he doesn't know this is me. Now, you'll say, but he's here. Say, but I don't see him. But you're seeing him. It's very confusing. Because he does not know who or what is Swami Swarupananda.
This is amazing because in our tradition, we quote Jesus as saying, I am the way, I am the truth, and I am the life. Now, what is he speaking about? His physical body?
The I.
The universal I, is
Yes.
it? The energy.
Yes.
Because we misinterpret it as
Yes.
he's separate from Krishna, Buddha.
Yeah.
You see? It's amazing, is it?
Yeah. So this I, and whenever any of these great masters spoke about I, they're not talking about what everybody understands as I, as the physical body. That's why he was crucified, when he said, Father and I are one.
Yeah.
Because how can Father and Son be one? How can God and man be one? No? What he's talking about, this I. And therefore, in the Vedas, it's clearly pointed out, Tat, Tvam Asi.
Tattvamasi.
That which you think is that supreme is you. Now, which you? Not this individual person who's constantly fighting with his wife.
Yes.
It is the essence I, which is none other than infinite, which is God, which is happiness or bliss.
Yes, really. Thank you.
Verament interessanti jekk daler fil-filosofija illi aħna illum ħadna mill-programm Boost. Wasalna kważi lejn tmiem din is-sensiela. Il-sensiela Boost kienet proċess twil, però impenjattiv. Grazzi għal Alfred, Nadia, Galja Sand, grazzi wkoll għal Doris Bonello, Dominic Said, it-tim kollu tagħna, Owen, Guzman mill-Ingilterra, l-tim tekniku tagħna, Mattia Zammit, Joseph Zoppardi, Paul Jones. Grazzi wkoll lil kull wieħed waħda minnkom li kkomunikajtu magħna. Grazzi wkoll lil Alfred li ġabilna diversi bnedmin interessanti bħalma kienet illum Swami Swarupananda u anke disċiplu ieħor tiegħu. Però inħoss meta nħares senke lejn din is-sensiela jiena kuntent ħafna għal fatt illi ħassejt ċertu sens ta' sodisfazzjon, għal fatt illi dak li xtaqna wasalna għalih. Aħna jekk Alla jrid il-ġimgħa d-dieħla se nagħlqu l-programm Boost permezz ta' Art of Living, però qabel nagħlqu xtaqt il-Alfred forsi hemm dak il-seminar ta' Art of Living fil-fatt illi ta' min wieħed biex ikompli jsaħħaħ dak li hemm fil-ħajja tiegħu wieħed jista' jagħmel anki dan il-kors illi se jkun organizzat minn Art of Living.
Yes, hemm seminar The Art of Breathing li qed jiġi organizzat mill-Art of Living li ħajibda fit-22 ta' Settembru u fl-20 ta' Settembru bħal minn tiem se niddiskutu fuq l-Art of Living. u x'effetti tagħmel u ħajkun hawn nies li ħajtkellmu fuq dan is-suġġett. Min irid l-informazzjoni fuq dan is-seminar jidħol fil-website tiegħi www.omni-ideas.com u se jkun hemm l-informazzjoni kollha.
Jew kellha jista' jċempel ukoll 9942-7376. Il-numru dak huwa tajneħ kemm il-darba fil-fatt grazzi għad-direttur tagħna Paul Jones wera wkoll il-numru ta' Alfred Difesa 9942-7376 għal speċjalment għax nirċievu ħafna SMS minn għandkom telespettaturi li jkollkom bżonn dan in-numru. M'hemmx għalfejn tibgħatu SMS tistgħu iċċemplu mill-ewwel. Qed ngħidlek minħabba illi għandna domanda kbira ta' SMS li jagħtu ridu nwieġbu. Qegħdin b'xi 3 programmi lura, però aħna ma naqtawx qalbna u ġver Alfred.
Le.
U nibqgħu hemmhekk u nibqgħu għal servizz ta' telespettaturi tagħna biex verament bis-saħħa tagħkom stess, bis-saħħa tiegħek stess, inwassluk fit-triq tad-destinazzjoni, id-destinazzjoni tas-suċċess. Mhux bis-saħħa tagħna, imma bis-saħħa tiegħek stess. Saħħa jekk għal irid niltaqgħu l-ġimgħa d-dieħla.